Earning money online with AI in 2024 can be approached in various ways. Here are some ideas based on current trends and tools. 1. AI-enhanced content creation. Offer writing services using AI tools to generate high-quality content quickly. 2. AI-powered translation services. Use AI to offer translation services for audio and video content into multiple languages. 3. Developing AI applications. Create and sell AI-driven apps or software solutions. 4. AI in e-commerce. Implement AI to personalize shopping experiences and improve sales. 5. Online courses and training. Develop and sell courses teaching others how to use AI tools effectively. 6. AI art and design. Generate and sell AI-created artwork or designs. 7. Freelancing with AI. Offer services like photo editing, social media management, or data analysis, enhanced by AI. 8. AI chatbots for businesses. Develop custom chatbots for companies to improve their customer service. Remember, while AI can significantly boost productivity and open new opportunities, it's important to leverage your skills and creativity alongside AI tools to create value for your clients or customers. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a way to enhance your existing services or create new ones that can help you earn money online. Always ensure to stay updated with the latest AI trends and tools to remain competitive in this fast-evolving field.